Meccha Chameleon sound not working comes down to the Windows routing, not to the game. So skip the reinstall and head straight down to Volume Mixer. Make sure that the game is running though. Find the metric Chameleon slider, raise it up, and make sure it isn't muted. A single muted app silences just the game. Check the output device by clicking drop down and make sure it matches your headphone or speaker. Once you do that, on the top, hit the word sound, set those same headphone or speakers as your default device. If you still don't hear anything, go back to your Steam library, right-click on Meccha Chameleon, select Properties, go to Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let the process finish and restart your Steam before launching the game. If the issue still persists, download and reinstall the latest audio drivers from your motherboard or sound card manufacturer's website, then reboot your PC. Once you do that, the game audio should be fixed and should be back on Meccha Chameleon. One thing to know, if it's only voice garbling, it is only voice garbling. The voice chat issue, players sounding like they're spamming mute, that's a known game bug, not your setup. If this helps, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if this video helped. Have a wonderful day.